Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm just gonna be doing a try-on haul video. I haven't done one of these in so long. I've just been sticking to lookbooks. I gave those a break just because of some technical difficulties at the moment. That's the only reason, because I absolutely love doing lookbooks. So I mean, I'll resume doing those for the new year, definitely, because I know once you guys see this, you guys are going to say, what happened to the lookbooks? So I'm just clearing the air on that. So today I'm going to be doing a try-on haul. It's been a while and it's quite refreshing to be doing one again. It's going to be a bikini try-on haul. And I know some of you guys are already being like, huh? Bikini in winter? What is Petite doing? Well, as you guys know, I live here in Jamaica, which is in the Caribbean, and a lot of tourists come here at this time of the year because, for one, the weather. The weather is always so nice, you know, it's still sunny and such, so they go to all the beautiful resorts and villas and stuff like that. So I said, it would still be very helpful to do a bikini haul for this time of the year. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So today, the company that I'm going to be showing you these pieces from is Cupshe, and it's the first time I'm actually getting pieces from this company. I must say, the number one thing I'll say, definitely what I notice is that the quality feels so good. These bikinis feel so strong and durable. Usually get some bikinis, they're like flimsy and thin and they don't feel like they're going to last, but these, they feel really good. But anyways, let's go ahead and start with the first piece. Now this is the Sunset Orange Solid Bikini, and I got this in size small. All right, now as I said, all these bikinis, they feel like so durable, they feel strong, like the padding, the material, everything feels lasting. I like the little detailing, you know, of the bra portion. You know, I really like the color against my skin tone. I do love the bottom. I don't know, I always like bikini bottoms with these types of cuts here on the side. I have quite a few with cuts like this, so I really like it. It's really nice and it gives me that warm tropical vibe. So the second bikini I tried for you guys is the Hawaii Sunrise-Falbala, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, Falbala-Bikini-set. And this is it. I love the mustard. Listen, number one thing that drew me to this bikini was the color, the mustard. I really love the top with the little, you know, frill detailing in the front. I like the way it fits. I like the little string detailings. I really do love that, but the number one thing that drew me to it was the color. And you can go ahead and wrap the strings any way you like. You can crisscross it, you can just leave it at the back, do anything you want to do with it. But I really love the top, and the thing that I love about this top is that I can also wear it as a regular top and not necessarily just as a bikini top, if you get what I mean. Like I can pair it with a pair of jeans pants and go. So the third bikini, it is a one piece, and I don't usually get one pieces for my bikinis, you know. I was really feeling the print on this one here. It's the green and golden leaves one piece swimsuit. All right, so I love the little cutout in the front, but number one thing that stood out to me was the print. Again, the material feels very durable. It is stretchy, but it feels thick and nice and durable, and I love that. You can definitely know that it is of good quality, and yeah, it's pretty nice. So this one is the spring snow one-piece swim set, and again, mustard drew me to this. I like how they fuse the mustard with this white piece here on it, and it is so thick. The material is so nice and thick. All of these are padded, by the way, so I do like that. You can always go ahead and take out the padding. There is the area there where you can always take out the padding if you want, but this is how it is. And again, you can wear this as a bodysuit. You get a little string that you can tie around the waist with it, but I could also not tie this around the waist and just wear it like as a like head tie. Like that would be really nice. I mean, it not really work right now for this, but when I get my mattress right, it would be really nice. So yeah, because I like them little something there sometime. This one I got is this like solid black, because sometimes you have to play it safe, you know. And this is the Only Love Solid Bikini Set. and it has a nice little frill detailing both on the top and the bottom, and I like the detailing on the fabric. It's like, what would you call this, like I don't know what you call this effect, but I like the fabric. Yeah, I got 7 bikinis here in all, and this is the second to last one. This is the 6th one that I tried on for you guys. So pretty. This is a sweet mint cross bikini set, and it has print for the bottom, and the color up top is so pretty, and I like it against my skin tone. I like the tie detailing on the bra, like you can just tie the front here, and that's how you see I had it on in the video where I tried it on. So that's really, really nice. And then you tie this portion around your neck, and that is size small again. For the very final one, I got the Azure-sea-tie-dye-bikini-set. I can't recall me having a tie-dye bikini set, and if I do, it's probably one, but I can't remember right now. So that definitely pulled me to getting this one because I wanted that tie-dye feature, and the color is very pretty. It's very popping, and it has some tie details in the back, like, you know, strings here that you kind of crisscross in the back, and it's a high-waisted bottom. So, and it has cutout detailing on the side, but I really like that. Yeah, that's pretty much it for all the bikinis I got from Cupshe. Let me know what you guys think about them. As I say, I'm just giving you guys ideas for, you know, any vacation that you might have coming up for this season. It's a very festive season, and people always travel. People have family vacations and stuff. So yeah, and trust me, it's just a personal observation. If you're interested in this wig, I recently did a lookbook with my little bob collection of some of my favorite wigs. So this is one of them, and it's from rvghair.com. Yes, you guys already know. The link will be down below in the description box, so check that out. And all the links to these bikinis will definitely be linked in the description box. So if you're interested in getting them for yourself, you can go ahead and check it out. Check out the site, Cupshe, and, you know, get yourself some very trendy bikinis. Yeah, but that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up, leave your thoughts, and let me know what other videos you'd like to see. And don't forget to go ahead and check out my Vlogmas series I have going on my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, every day, every single day. And I just want to remind you guys about Rep Your Swag, the party that Divine and I is having. Yes, I'm going to close the video out right now with the flyer. So see you guys in my next video. Bye! She living it up and she out there, doing it with no fear. Hey, bubble your body for the up top boss. Bad, baby, your top